We are Mark and Kimberly and have left our 9-to-5 jobs and are now small business owners. We own a crop dusting business and have served local farmers in the eastern Iowa area for the last 15 years. Our business has grown over those years and we have an amazing staff that helps us with our busy summer season. Thanks for joining us for this episode of some of our adventures.
Things to do. I have a list here. This is page 2 already. That's almost all checked off. And I got page 3 half full already.
Our calendar fills up real fast, so we have to have everything just nice and organized so we can keep track.
Well, and that was a project too. I put up the dry erase board. Lasted about 24 hours and fell down. That was the sticky stuff that came with the board. So redo on that one, so I guess I'll have to put it back on the list. But anyway, this here is a spice rack, which is really cool. You can put all your spices in it. Well, here's the problem. They mounted it so low that it hits, and you have to drop it down, push it in, and then lift it up. Well, if you look, there's plenty of clearance up top, so I'm going to take this out, move the rails up maybe 1/4 of an inch so that that's no longer an issue. That's just the one project we're gonna work on right now. All right. Yeah, so I just need to move the rails up a little bit. Then of course I'll make sure they're level and all that fun stuff. But it's a brand new microwave.
Never used it, never even put the timer on it or anything.
No, never been used. Are you guys interested in a new microwave? We have, and it's been a long time coming. We contacted RV here in Casa Grande, and they got us a convection / microwave oven. So we don't use a microwave. I'll let you guys do your research on that, how it kills all your nutrients in your food. But anyway, we use a convection oven or a toaster oven.
Yeah.
To warm up our food. But
so show them what we have been having to use.
So we have a toaster oven in the pantry that we use to heat up our food, and we've checked, you know, it doesn't get too hot up there and all that stuff.
Which, that works fine, but that's a lot of space that we could use for something else. And this is just dead space.
That's taking up space there. That's taking up space there, not being used. So this is getting dropped out of here today. Convection oven / I think it's a convection / microwave combo is going in. We actually requested that from Grand Design, and they said there wasn't an option for that, which I don't understand. Because
RV capital of the world, you'd think they would have.
RVs have convection microwaves in them, or I don't know if they have just a straight convection, but that's all we want is the convection oven. We can pull that toaster oven out of there, gain back that space, and then we'll be happy.
Yeah.
It's all good.
Yay.
All right.
I'm excited, long time coming.
Absolutely. So they got the other one out already. It took them just a couple minutes. See, the back of it sits here, and then there was 2 anchor points up here that they had to disconnect. So we'll see. Hopefully the new one has a fan.
Okay, so it's up here where the microwave was, and there's different little trays for different heights, but according to the book, for French fries, you go slim fry, setting number 2, and I don't know what SR is, but start. And then the whole thing spins. That's supposed to be the air fry portion. So, yeah, kind of excited, see how it works.
All right, so Norris RV was here. They have the convection oven installed. That looks amazing. So now I can raise those guides, rails, for the spice rack. I got remember I talked about this thing that was on sale for like 75 bucks? She's gonna get used.
You just couldn't pass it up.
I couldn't pass it up. So I think I decided I will raise it 1/4 of an inch. getting crazy. It's getting crazy around here, guys. Oh man, that's worth every penny. All right, guys. Where's my 1/4 inch on here? It's all covered up.
Would you like my sewing
3/4. Sewing ruler. So I could go. Whoa, that's wild. Look at that, guys. Ah! Wait a minute. I think this is one of them things. Look there, huh? That's sexy. Okay. All right, we'll drill some more holes. 4 new holes, we'll put them in. We'll see how that turned out. So right here, I want it to basically drill out where the shaft of the screw will be, but you want the threads to still be sticking out around the edges, so you still got bite into the wood. So that's that. It's highly technical. All right, so now I'm going to drill new holes. Make sure the sawdust stays up there. We got to vacuum that out anyway. All right, I think we're ready to reinstall. Oh. Okay.
Well, now that project's done. I'm so glad. I have a lot to learn on this oven, and it is so different than anything else I've had. There's so many buttons, and of course it comes with just a tiny pamphlet, so you have to go online to read everything, but it's pretty cool. I can't wait to try it.
Yep, we got our work done for the day, so now we got to do something fun.
Yep. So today at our RV park where we stay, they have different activities, which is really cool. You get to learn to know people and do other things outside of the park. And today we get to go to the Organ Stop Pizza, which we did go to last year too. It's really cool.
Yep, it's up in Mesa, Arizona, part of the Phoenix area. So that's about, what, 45 minutes from us, roughly? Yep. So we'll head up there and go to that. If you've never experienced it, I think you need to experience it at least once. The pizza's okay. Yeah. But you're not going for the pizza anyway. You're going for the Wurlitzer organ that's there. The largest, is it the largest in the world? Yeah. Yep. So anyway. It's huge, and some of the pipes are so big that they don't even fit in the dining room. And this dining room is 2 stories. I mean, it's huge. Yeah. And it's all these different, you know, sounds and everything. It's instruments. Just instruments, yes. Different instruments, and yeah. It's very cool. There'll be a short clip of that in there. We have to be careful on copyright stuff, as you guys know. So we'll throw a short clip in. Try this thing.